smoke anything, I ain't even drinking. The ganja is the... Yeah, yeah. Oh, I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. I smell something in the air that's making me I said I smell something in the air that's making me high. Okay, here we go. Do re mi fa sol la ti da so. Lyrical Roscoe, kick back a Tabasco. You motherfuckers must just not know the TikTok song. Time to show you the most kick-ass flow in the cosmos. Picasso with a pickaxe, a sick asshole. Tic-tac-toe, punch a six-pack with exacto. Knives, strangling wise with thick lasso. Big bags of the grass, zigzags, I'm with the dot so. You know how that goes, skull in the crossbones. This is poison, the poison girls who do not know. You do not want to try this at home, my lovato. This is neither the time nor the place to get macho. So crack a six-pack, sit back with some nachos. Maybe some popcorn and watch the show and just rock slow. It's not what you expected, know what you thought so. About time that you wake the fuck up, smell the pot smoke. It must be the ganja, it's the marijuana that's creeping up on me while I'm so high. Maybe it's the Henny that has gotten in me. Whatever's got into me, I don't mind. It's the ganja, it's the marijuana that's creeping up on me while I'm so high. Maybe it's the Henny that has gotten in me. Whatever's got into me, I don't mind. Your dreams are getting fulfilled. Ooh, I'm literally getting a chill, spitting at will. Me and Dre have just finished splitting a pill. You're submitting the skill, sitting still. I'm admitting I'm beginning to feel like I don't think anyone's real. Faced with a dilemma, I can be Dalai Lama and be calmer, bring drama, a step beyond the Jeffrey Dahmer. Please don't upset me, mama. You're looking sexy, mama. Don't know if it's the Lala or the rum and Pepsi, mama. Don't wanna end up inside my refrigerator freezer. Be used as extra topping the next time I make a pizza. How many people you know who can name every serial killer who ever existed in a row? Put them in chronological order, beginning with Jack the Ripper. Name the time and place from the body, the bag, the zipper. Location of the woods where the body was dragged and then dumped. The trunk that they were stuffed in, the model to make the plate, and which model would select the founder and how they attack the victim. Say which murder weapon was used to do what and which one. Which knife or which gun, what kid would wipe or which none. Don't stop, I like this, it's fun. The fucking nice is begun. It must be the ganja, it's the marijuana that's creeping up on me while I'm so high. Maybe it's the Henny that has gotten in me. Whatever's got into me, I don't mind. It's the ganja, it's the marijuana that's creeping up on me while I'm so high. Maybe it's the Henny that has gotten in me. Whatever's got into me, I don't mind. When I'm behind a mic, dynamite, but it's kinda like you're stuck with the same stick that you're trying to light. Behind the boards, it's Dre. Legends are made this way. Isn't it safe to say this is the way it should be? Maybe you need some lyric syrup, son, for your symptoms. Here's a dosage of the antidote. Now you give him some. He can give her some. She can give them some. Get behind the lindrum. Make up a beat and kill the sucker syndrome. The spinning drum when it comes to lyrics and gin and some. Starting from scratch and then ending up at the ending up. Capable of winning up. Pulitzer, so unbelievable it's titanium, cranium that's full of surprises. When the smoke rises right before your very own eyes, you're staring to your stereos. Good evening, this isn't even a weed thing. I ain't even smoke anything, I ain't even drinking. It must be the ganja, it's the marijuana that's creeping up on me while I'm so high. Maybe it's the Henny that has gotten in me. Whatever's got into me, I don't mind. It's the ganja, it's the marijuana that's creeping up on me while I'm so high. Maybe it's the Henny that has gotten in me. Whatever's got into me, I don't mind.
Whoa. The ganja, man. It must be the ganja. Because I was looking at some of these charts, man. I'm starting to think it's the real thing, bro. Yeah, I tried some of that ganja y'all talk about. They're gonna legalize. I don't know, man. I don't know. My thoughts on this. I mean, it's a criminal justice thing, right? Alcohol's legal. You can go to war, all that. I don't know, man. Over the years, I've started to think differently about it. Maybe it's not so good after all, man. Did you hear what Eminem was talking about in that song? Ay, ay, ay. I'm starting to think maybe he was trying to tell us something. You can smoke the ganja and then start looking at charts and start thinking some crazy things. Start thinking this could be a super cycle. Start comparing it to silver, and then you start to wonder, wait a minute, is cannabis a commodity? Are we in a commodity super cycle right now, and is cannabis next? Is this an entire sector that could be bought? I mean, there's going to be lots of risk, right? There's going to be lots of risk, but we're going to get into some maybe less risky ways to know this sector. But what's really interesting is some of these stocks like Grow Generation Corp, if you remove the bias that it's cannabis, you look at these and you say wave one, wave two, wave three, IPO base. You look at Canopy Growth Corp, wave one, ABC wave two, wave three. What's wrong with that? Clear 5 waves impulse. And we look at this 5 waves impulse, we notice wave 5 is the largest wave. Because in commodities trading, Elliott Wave specifically says wave 5 can be the largest wave and is often expected to be the largest wave. But you wonder, they've been buying straddles and strangles on this sector for a long time. You wonder if this could be wave 1, ABC wave 2, and Canopy Growth is going to start climbing the right side of the base. We look at the daily chart. Wave 1, wave 2. And there's a lot prettier impulses in the cannabis sector than Canopy Growth. But Canopy Growth has a really interesting long-term chart. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Minimum target is 2.22, 2.23 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low, Canopy Growth can go to 3.2 in the shorter term. Let's look at Scott's Miracle Grow, because this is a really interesting way. I didn't realize this until they pointed it out today, but Scott's Miracle Grow is an interesting, much different fundamentals way to play the cannabis sector, and it's got really interesting Elliott Wave. And it's an agriculture stock. I've been going off on agriculture stocks and posting my chart of MOO for the past few days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, and then from this low, a small wave 1 and a small wave 2. I believe that SMG is entering wave 3 of wave 3. Should look something like this. Wave 3 target is 84 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher up into the mid 90s. The length of wave 1 places the wave 2 low. Take Scott's Miracle Grow basically up to 100 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, SMG can go to 142 for waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that would just complete wave 3 in black, bold black. We'd have a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. Another interesting fundamental play on this sector is a real estate stock in innovative industrial properties, up almost 10% today, including post market. This is a really interesting play on both real estate and cannabis. It pays a dividend, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2 at the 78.6% retracement. Really interesting risk reward. It's pretty wide right now. I'd honestly say just these lows from this impulse, 48.51 above 48.51 is great. RR, the invalidation. Yeah, I mean it's really just gonna be, to be honest, are these lows gonna stick? This low right here, 48.51, is probably best. So above 48.51, this is the length of wave 1, placed at the wave 2 low. IIPR can go all the way to 318 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. I mean, that's plenty for now. That's plenty for now, but what could happen if it does climb the right side of the base? Shallow wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, wave 5 is the length of wave 1, places the wave 4 low. Is this a $500 stock? Could it go to the 560s? Like I said, the low 300s is plenty for now. But there is incredible risk reward in this sector. This one is a real estate stock as well. Scott's Miracle Grow is an agriculture stock. So different ways to play it. Let's get more into the pure plays. Aurora Cannabis, extremely interesting Elliott wave. Wave 1, ABC wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 of wave 3 of wave 3 of wave 3. Says this is going to absolutely explode. Above 4.43, Aurora Cannabis is going to absolutely explode out of a quadruple nest, is the Elliott wave. And it's another one where you remember that in the big picture. We're going to use ACB as a medium term view right now. This is a really pretty chart. And above 4.43, it's extremely explosive. At the bare minimum, in the big picture, 9.35 is getting broken before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, ACB can go up to 15 for waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this was only up 18% today. Most of the cannabis stocks were up a lot. Let's look at some ETFs. We're going to look at a leveraged ETF right now, MSOX, up 100% today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low is going to take MSOX to 13.4, 13.59 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, MSOX is going up to 24.23. So that's a great guiding signal from the leverage sector. Now let's look at the non-leveraged version. I believe this is a wave 1 and a wave 2. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave 1 for MSOS and ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low takes MSOS up to 6.94 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, MSOS is going up to 10 for waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To complete this blue wave 3, we'll have a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. So that's MSOS. And then we'll end up with Tilray. You guys did a great job watching the video, so I wanted to just do the entire sector. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low takes Tilray to 26.60 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Tilray can go to 42. I almost forgot Sundial Growers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. ABC wave 2, very pretty. Very pretty. It was up big today. Only up 24% compared to the rest of the sector though. Above 1.65. Above 1.65. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low gives a wave 3 target of 3.30 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Sundial Growers is going to 4.60.